Okay, today we're going to do a quick video. This is a 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe on the oil reset interval. I'm not going to reset it because mine is already done. It is not ready, but we'll go through the steps. On your steering wheel, you'll scroll here. Tire pressure, go to settings. It's already on intervals. You can see service interval. You press your OK. Now press it again. It turns it on. You have adjust intervals and oil reset there. If you press either one, you would be pressing yes to reset it. It would go back to 0 and clear your alarm. I went to no because I'm not resetting. If you go to adjust interval, press that. You could put in there your 6,000 or 6,500 miles, whatever you choose. Normally it's going to be between 6,000 and 7,000 on these Hyundais around the same year. And I won't be doing that now. See there. And I'm going to go back out. That's all you have to do, though, is enter in your number and enter. That's it.